Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to create Baroque art with OpenArt. So, let us begin. To start, open your web browser and visit openart.ai. If you already have an account, simply log in to access your personalized dashboard. Now, click on Create from Scratch. On the left side of the screen, you will discover a prompt field where your Baroque art ideas come to life. For instance, imagine craft a Baroque theme artwork that explores the intersection of art and music, using AI to depict musicians, instruments, or musical performances in a rich and evocative style. Feel free to add a unique twist using a negative prompt. Once your prompt is set, just click Create. Now, witness the magic of OpenArt in action. And lo and behold, your Baroque art masterpiece is now complete. Click on the image to explore its intricate details. It's as simple as that. Your imagination transforms into Baroque art with just a prompt. Immerse yourself in a world of limitless creativity and craft pieces that celebrate the intersection of art and music in the rich and evocative style of the Baroque area with OpenArt. I hope this video helps you out. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.